Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We are in a route to Boston to head to the Celtics game. Time to go find our seats. Now we're on the hunt for some food. Lots of different options here at the garden.
Police Department Honor Guard. And now, for the singing of our national anthem, please welcome country music singer, former Boston College basketball player, and current morning show host on Country 102.5, Katelyn Brown. And now, number 44, Robert Williams.
reaction and hear them shout your name and cheer for you like this?
It's special.
You said earlier that you wanted to help Jaylen Brown and Jason Tatum. How do you want to help lead this team?
Just being that bitch and help. You know, standing those guys here, making sure they work them, making sure they're doing what they have to do for us to be victorious, you know, night in and night out.
Welcome back. Thank you.
Thanks, Clary.
And just like that, the game is over. We made it back to the car.
Alive.
And they won!
Yes. By considerable.
And now we're sitting in
Cavaliers
traffic.
were they're very low on players, you know.
They didn't have that many sides.
I mean, did you see they had 3 bench
Mm-hmm.
players? Like, the minimum is 8 for a game.
So they scrounged up 3 to have.
They canceled their last game because of it. So they needed a scrounge of players. So they should have won and they did. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Overall, I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
What do you think from
I just want to know, like, what your experience was. Because at first, people started chanting, at the end specifically, because people started chanting, we want Joe, right? You asked me who Joe was. Yeah. Was it like, were you just like overwhelmed and like in shock? Like, what is going on, right? What is happening around me right now?
I mean, I've heard similar chants, but I always knew who it was for. Like, put the person back in or like whatever.
Yeah. They used to chant, we want Taco, who you saw in this.
Right, and Taco was cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Everybody go look up Taco. He's cool.
But so they started saying, we want Joe. You understand what that means. And then he comes in and like there's such a frenzy.
That was
for
so
it.
loud.
People were so excited.
Right.
So what did you make of like all that excitement? Were you like, why do people love this guy so much? Like,
right. Yeah.
Did you not understand it?
I was like, who is this man? Why hasn't he been in before?
Mm-hmm.
What's he gonna do?
Right.
And he delivered.
Yeah.
He did deliver.
It was kind of like just a situation where people knew like he's not that great anymore, you know. He'd be on an NBA team if he wasn't. They just picked him up off the street. But it was more of a
from his normal life.
That's what they call it.
I know.
But you know, it was more of a sentimental thing. You know, people wanted to see him in the game. They wanted to cheer for him. It was a good moment. And you know, I love when they buy into that stuff, because a lot of people don't like that. They want it to just be business, whatever. And like a lot of this stuff is emotional and about the stories and everything. And that's what's so great about it. So
and Joe has the history.
Right. I don't know why people are going. It's a red light. Oh, I can't go this way. Okay. Well, this is fun.
There's someone directing traffic. It is a red light, though. He's not wrong. It's just really busy because of the game letting out, as you guys know. And then we have the trek back. So it should be a fun time overall. And it is now the next day, and editing Katelyn needs to end this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to the Celtics game. It was a good win, and we had a lot of fun, and we hope you guys did too, watching along with us. But thanks again so much for tuning into Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.